Alright guys, we're back, and it's a little problem that we had with this 18 Ford Escape. It didn't want to start. Fuse 11 under the hood was good, and then we was getting no power to fuses 72 and 73 at the BCM, which controls your ODB port, and these two were 72 and 73. You can see that. But anyway, these two didn't have any power at all going to them, so BCM's bad, obviously. But I used jumper wires for this and just ran off a 10-inch fuse of these two 7.5s that powered it up. Got rid of the hill start problem, had power back to the ODB port, and allowed the car to start. And the customer was able to drive it for 2 or 3 days until we got them a new BCM in. And that is a tip, that if you end up having the same problem with short circuit or a bad circuit board for 72 and 73, which will keep the car from starting, and it'll keep you from being able to scan it, and it'll cause a hill start problem. And the way I was able to start it to get him to stop dying it, I just, on pin 16, I put power to it with a power probe, and the car started right up. So we back traced to that and then tested the BCM, and that's how we came to that conclusion. So if you have this same problem, you can make it work like that, and it may work forever, but it's not recommended. You just replace the BCM. But there's one way to bypass or power up those two fuses to get all that working again, even if the circuit board inside the BCM goes bad. But then you also got to have the new one programmed. You cannot pull the data with a scan tool. It does have to be programmed and vented into the new one. But thanks for watching. Until next time, like and subscribe if you care. If not, it will be alright.